I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair here talking with Terry. Why don't you go ahead and tell me about yourself and the vehicle we're working on today?
Terry Dammer is my name. Attention to Detail is the business I own. The car we're working on today is a 69.5 Road Runner, 446 pack car. Real low miles, local history for Sioux Falls. The car was drag raced the first couple of years, and then it was pulled off the drag strip in place of another car. And then it was parked for a long time. About 22 years ago, it was pulled out of storage. About 15 years ago, we restored the car to what you're seeing now. And that's about where we're at on it right now.
Cool, cool, awesome. So what's kind of the significance of the 69.5 package? What's kind of the Mopar history on there?
69.5 was a mid-year car. All Road Runners originally came with 383s, or you could special order the Hemi. Mid-year, they come up with these cars with a lightweight fiberglass hood, a 440 with a 6-pack, 3 2-barrel carburetors, bare bones, black steel wheels, chrome lug nuts, no hubcaps, no radio. They were made for drag racing, basically.
No flash, just all go. Just for the street, or for the drag racing scene and whatnot in the quarter-mile time. So absolutely. So do you have any idea what a car like this would have ran back in its day?
Somewhere around here, we had time slips. The car was running in the 12-second range.
Really? Yeah. Awesome. Awesome.
I think actually they did get into some 11s with it.
Sweet.
But yeah, it wasn't extremely fast, but these cars, brand new, were outrunning the Hemi cars. The 446 packs were faster than the Hemis. If I remember right, this was like the third fastest pack production car made that year. So, yeah, they're kind of a cool car.
Pretty awesome, awesome. So I guess as far as what were we working on today? Tell me about what we were doing today on the vehicle and whatnot. So
the car had somewhere along the line ended up with a slight imperfection in the door. Called you up, Jack, to come on out and wiggle this dent.
Cool.
I couldn't even call it a dent, more like an imperfection, and we want the car to be as perfect as it can be. So.
Awesome, awesome. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks for taking a few minutes to chat with me about the car. Beautiful car, and even better history about it. So, again, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Terry?
Terry Dammer, attention to detail.
Awesome. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.